Ooh, there's that snake again. Damn, look at that snake. Damn. Man, he's big. Alright, y'all. Let's see if there's some bass over here. I've caught a couple here before. Let's get down here. We got the same thing as last video. This little fly. This thing does fucking great here. Let's see what we got. I see a fish already down there. It's a little bluegill right there. That's a good sign. That is in fact a good sign. A terrible cast, but there's a fish. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. First cast. First cast of fish. Bleeding some, but got him. How's it going? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my next fishing video, I guess. I just got here, came down here, I casted. I got that small little fish on the first cast, so it's a perfect start to the day. I packed a lunch again, but I did not forget the lunch meat, so we should have a great sandwich for later on here today. This is the first spot I just walked up on and I got a fish. So I ran and grabbed my camera real quick. So I'm gonna set this thing up. I'm gonna do some more casts. Let's see if we can't get another fish. Stay tuned, guys. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Whew. Let's get to fishing. Yep, here we go. Here it is. Let's get in here. I've gotten fish here too, man. Plenty of times I get fish here. This is a great spot. All right, let's throw. Whew. Come on, give me a new pair of shoes. Cast. They love this lure, man. They love it. All right, I'm gonna do one more cast here and then we're gonna move up. Last one. Let's get a fish on the last cast. But I'm gonna move up to the next spot. Hopefully get some more fish. And we're gonna make a fucking fire ass sandwich. So stay tuned, baby. Stay tuned. Right into the fishing hole, baby. Right into the fishing hole. There we go, there's a fish. That's a nice fish. That's a nice fish. There we go. There we go. There we go. Nice size bass. Nice size bass. Oh, I got him good. Oh, I got him good. There you go. Look at that bass. Fucking nice bass. Pretty big. See if we can't get some more here. There's a fish. Nice. Come on, get him in, get him in. Nice. Nice. Small. Yeah, he's the smallest one of the day, but at least we got one. This guy don't even got his wits about him yet. Small little guy, but he bit. Guys, I just seen a snake. He was a pretty decent sized snake too. He came up right from these logs and he was just looking over in my direction. I noticed him, so I ran to go get the camera so I could film him. I come back and he's gone. So I'm a little bit freaked out, but regardless, we got 3 bass again, which seems to be the magic number here. But we're gonna try to get one more bass, as many as we can get realistically, but we're gonna try to get one more bass and then we're gonna make our sandwich. So there we go. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's fucking go. Another one. All right, here's the 4th. Here is the 4th. All right, 4th fish and counting. Man, they're getting smaller and smaller though. Look at them. At least we're catching them. Small little guy. All right, let's get some lunch going. All right, guys, what a blast fishing. Leave a like for 4 fish, 1 more than the last video. I'm gonna try some more before I leave, but man, what a blast. I'm so thirsty, I'm so hungry, and as you can tell, I got my microphone this time. I forgot it in the last video, but it was still a great one. Yeah, let's make this sandwich. You know what? Look at this. Look at this. Go ahead and comment your favorite drink for a hot summer's day. Leave that shit in the comments. Let me know what you guys are drinking on. I like the orange Gatorades too, man. Those slap. But this really hits the spot for me, or just ice water, but let's fucking cheers this shit. Oh my God. Man, that's good. For our sandwich, again, obviously I got bread. I got my lettuce and tomato. Oh, you know what? I always forget something, man, and I think I forgot my knife this time around. So I can't necessarily cut the tomato. That's always something, man. But we got our lunch meat. We got some ham. Oh, this is turkey and salami. You know, I had to bring the mayonnaise, but we got the squeezable Jimmy this time. Let's go ahead and start building this joint. All right, let's slap our bread on the plate. Oh shit, get some mayonnaise on there. Dress it up. Let's add our meat. Bada bing. And let's add some lettuce on top of there. Just slap it up. In my opinion, the lettuce makes it. I don't know what you guys feel. Go ahead and comment your favorite sandwich topping. Go ahead, right there in the comments. Go ahead. Don't be shy. Go ahead and leave it in the comments what you guys like to have on your sandwich. I forgot mustard again, but you know what? Whatever. This is gonna hit the spot. My not so vegetarian sandwich this time around. All right, let's try that one. Let's see if we can't land one more fish and we'll call it a day. Head on out of here. Leave a like if you guys like this video at any time. I appreciate you guys watching. Let's do some casting. Oh, that was a fish, baby, at the end. Came up and grabbed it. Came up and grabbed it right there. He was small. Ooh, there's that snake again. Damn, look at that snake. Damn. Man, he's big.
Ooh, there's that snake again. Damn, look at that snake.
All right, y'all. That is where I'm going to call it. We got 4 bass, and we lost that 5th one. Man, what a fucking blast out here, man. The sandwich was all right. It needed some vinegar on there, some acid, you know. It needed a little mustard or something on there, but I had a blast out here again. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you like the fishing content. Appreciate all you guys that watch my videos. As I said in the last one, thank you guys so much. All right, guys. Peace.